Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from How to Fix Online. In this episode, we will be learning how to fix AOL application not working on your iPhone. If your AOL application is malfunctioning and not cooperating properly on your iPhone, then there are a couple of steps you can follow to resolve the issue. The first thing you'll need to do is to check if your device is connected to a stable internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your mobile network or your mobile data and make sure you have the stable internet connection. Next, check if your AOL application is updated to the latest version. Go ahead and open your App Store and type in AOL. In the search result, open up the AOL Mail app and see if there is an update button available. Tap on Update if available and you will be able to download the latest version of AOL Mail app. Once you do that, tap on the Open button to open the app and see if that fixes the issue by trying to log into the account. Sometimes, even network settings can cause application problems. So go ahead and tap Open the Settings app from your iOS device and from the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Now, click on the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Click on Reset on the next page and after resetting your network setting, you might be able to fix your issue. But note that this will reset Wi-Fi passwords and other network-related settings, so be prepared to re-enter them again when needed. If any of these problem-solving techniques didn't work for you, then you can also consider deleting and reinstalling the AOL Mail app. Simply find AOL application in the app drawer and press hold the application for a few seconds. Now click on Remove App, tap on Delete twice, and you will be able to delete your AOL application. Now that you've deleted the app, get back to your App Store and reinstall the app and see if that fixes the issue. So those were some of the fixes you could try and follow if your AOL application is not working on your iOS device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.